Hi there, it's Grace, and getting ready with me today, I want to feature one of my favorite products. If you've not tried this, this one I've had for months, because a little bit goes a really long way. And I actually do this morning and night, okay? And one of the things that I love about it is that it's called Deep Wrinkle Filler, okay? Now this has alpha hydroxy and I believe retinol in it. And my favorite thing about it is that some of my clients call it unicorn tears. It works really well. It fills in fine lines and wrinkles, okay? And that way makeup goes on like it's not there, okay? But it also treats the wrinkle while it's in there. And I'm gonna show you a couple of my favorite places to put it. Now, my skin is washed. I have put on my serums, but I've not put on my moisturizer yet, okay? And so where I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna take, I always say, about the size of a grain of rice, okay? I'm gonna get this in between my fingers, and my favorite place to put this is right here around my mouth, because I love drinking out of a straw and I am starting to get pucker lines, okay? It's just what it is, okay? I also like to smile a lot, so I'm getting some of this stuff. And my goal has never been to not age. I'm very grateful to be aging, but I'm gonna fight it a little bit, okay? I'm gonna put it here in my, I call my parentheses, okay? Right in there. And the other place I love to put it is on the corner of my eyes, okay? The corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna get a little bit more out here because I squinchy up quite a bit. And I will just tell you, this stuff doesn't just fill in, it actually makes a really big difference, okay? A really big difference. Because again, not only is it filling it in so that your makeup can go over it more smoothly, it treats it while it's in there. And that makes a big difference, especially, again, I do it morning and night. And it's like targeting those really fine lines, and I call them like kinetic lines. They're not static or stationary where it's just, you know, from the skin losing elasticity or whatever. They're because my face like moves, and that's what these are. They're called kinetic lines, and so I love it for that. And as always, if you have questions about this or any other skin issues, never be afraid to click on that link in the description, because that's how you can schedule a time for me to do a completely complimentary, that means free, consultation with you virtually. It's Teleface with Grace, and we can talk about this and any other product that might serve you. We create your own custom recipe of what would be best for your skin and or your makeup, and we call it our beauty blueprint. And so I'm here to help. So never hesitate to reach out. And again, this is the TimeWise Repair Volu-Fill Deep Wrinkle Filler. And I'm telling you, this is a great item to have in your skincare closet.